Izzy Swan's corner clamps saving the day. Work great. Saved me bucks, saved me time. Just with this warpy wood, had to get out some of the heavy persuaders, straighten things out. But I highly recommend make some corner clamps if you got any kind of corner stuff to do, large numbers. And I also recommend you don't make them out of pine like I did. But I didn't have any scrap plywood to do it with, so these did all right as long as we didn't stress them too much. Only broke one. So they are not heavy persuaders. If you got the warp wood like I have, got to straighten it out. Gonna need a few clamps. All in all, real happy with the results. Thank you, Izzy. That was a great idea.